learn and grow on the Spotty Dotty Show. Shall we dance the cha-cha? In this video, I'll be teaching you 3 easy steps in the cha-cha. Come dance with me. Step number 1, side basic. Starting with your left foot, you're going to take a forward step, then replace your weight back to the right foot. That's a 1 and then a 2. Then you're gonna do your cha-cha, which is a side, together, side. So now your right foot is free. You're gonna do the same thing you did in the beginning, but now going backwards. You're gonna go back with the right, then you're gonna replace your weight to the left foot, and then you're gonna come back around. Side, together, side. I'll show you again. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. Forward, replace. Side, together, side. Back, replace. Side, together, side. Practice. Step number 2, progressive basic. We're going to be going back and forth with this basic. Starting with your left foot free, I want you to take a forward step, then replace it back on the right. Now we're gonna run back, small little runs, back with the left, back with the right, back with the left. Now with the right foot, you're going to rock back again. You're gonna take a step back and then replace it forward. Now we're gonna do 3 little small runs forward. Forward, forward, forward. Let me show you again. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. 1, forward, replace, back, 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 replace, forward, forward, forward. Practice. Step number 3, crossover breaks. We're going to start a lot like the basic, but we'll do something a little different on the rock step. Starting with your left foot, I want you to turn all the way to your right, a quarter turn to your right, which means just kind of look over your shoulder and then turn that way and step forward. Then you're gonna replace your weight back. Now you're gonna go back to facing your partner. You're gonna go side, together, side. Then do the same way. Now you're gonna look over your left shoulder and you're gonna go step forward, replace back, side, together, side. So it will go forward, replace, cha, 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 forward, replace, cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. 1, 2, cha, cha, cha. It's very important that you face your partner completely on the cha-cha-cha, that you don't prematurely turn to go to the other side. You will get a little bit confused with your feet if you do that. So you want to make sure to turn, face your partner, turn. Face your partner, turn, Face your partner, turn, face your partner. Practice. Now it's time to have some fun. Go grab a partner and let's dance together. If you are a leader, you'll be starting with your left foot. And if you are a follower, you'll be starting with the right foot. Let's do this. So how should you hold your partner? Leaders, you should extend your left hand outwards, and followers, you should keep your fingers up and then fold it down over the leader's hand. Now for the opposite arm and hand, leaders, place your hand on the follower's shoulder blade, and followers, rest your arm and hand on the leader's right arm. Now because we have a height difference, he can only hold my waist, but you should place your hand ideally on the shoulder blade. Let's dance the cha-cha, starting with the basic. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Now 1, 2, forward and back, basic, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, run, run, run. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Now, cross over, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, we're gonna go this way, and 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, you can keep your arms out in a resting position. 1, 2, make some alligator hands. Cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Very nice. Please like and subscribe and stay creative.